Hello, my name is Nathan with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for a free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printers and office supplies needs. Today we're looking at this HP OfficeJet Pro 8710. The problem we're having is with the document feeding, and they're using it to make copies or scans, is putting lines on the pages. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up, and we have two glass pieces here. So this is for the normal scan using the scan bed. This is for the document feeding. So how we're going to do this is we're going to clean it with glass cleaner and a lint-free rag. We're going to put the glass cleaner directly on the rag itself, and we're not going to put it on the printer itself. So we're going to go over here and clean it off. And while we're at it, we're going to do the scanner bed as well. Once it's nice and clean, we're going to close it up, and we're going to run copy scans or just copies. Make sure that there's no lines or smudges left. If there are, we're going to repeat this process until we get good results.